Happy morning, guys. This is Dr.R.Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity from Dr.S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, in this lecture series, we are going to discuss the topic applications of OOPS in OOPS with Python programming. Why do we need OOPS? So let's see the needs of object-oriented programming. It's helpful for managing the complexity. Object-oriented programming language we used to call as a programming paradigm. So it's none other than a blueprint for developing a modern software development in efficient, flexible softwares if you want to develop. So for that we can apply OOPS oriented concepts. So in that the four important OOPS features is none other than we used to call as in four pillars: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism and abstraction. So by applying these features we can manage the complicated data in efficient way in order to develop modern software development. Scale systems, so the structured format, that scalable, that process, step by step process we can follow in systematic way by applying OOPS oriented concepts. We can secure our data in effective manner by using in order to protect the data by applying encapsulation concepts, so that internal data and all hide whenever that appropriate the confidential person can able to access that particular thing. So otherwise that unauthorized access cannot be come inside that particular process, cannot seen by others. So the data protection is very important for developing a softwares, right? So that secure data is very important of developing a softwares. So improve teamwork. So by applying OOPS oriented concepts we can access by anyone. So by applying OOPS oriented, that class and objects we can embed in any process, so that that reusability and all very much easy of using OOPS oriented concepts. So now with the help of object-oriented programming, we can able to develop a websites. So that www dot that having, right. If you are running some company, so for that if you are in need of some small websites, so that are all possible by applying OOPS-oriented concepts. And then softwares can able to develop with the help of OOPS-oriented concepts. So AI, machine learning, artificial intelligence, expert systems and all can apply in embedded systems. So for developing an embedded system is also possible under OOPS oriented concepts. That object oriented systems, that none other than embedded systems and all, homemade, that household things and all, like washing machine, in that and all we can connect that OOPS oriented concepts. And then GUI, graphical user interface development, that gaming and all, that game development and all possible while implementing OOPS oriented concept. And then simulation and modeling. So if you want to create some model, so for that also we can apply object oriented programming language. Hope you all understand well about the applications of object oriented programming. We are in need of object oriented programming in order to develop some softwares, websites. So that reusability purpose, modularity, and then that scalability, flexibility. So readability is also very easy while embedding the OOPS oriented concepts. That only thing is that heavy line of coding will be there in implementing object oriented concepts. Other than that very important impacts while implementing the object oriented concepts. So that object and class is a core base to develop a real world entity. So that real world system can able to develop with the help of application object oriented programming language. So the very important that object oriented programming language take more memory space, but that process the complicated data and all we can resolve in easy and efficient way by applying a OOPS oriented concepts. So while using C programming, when switch over to C++, it may easy by applying a object and class method. So hope you understand what are the application we can able to develop with the help of applications. Apart from that, the banking sector, e-commerce websites and all we can develop with the help of OOPS oriented concepts. Hope you understand clearly about the applications, what are the application we can able to develop with the help of OOPS oriented programming language. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you. Have a nice day.